Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You begin by opening GarageBand and creating a dedicated audio track for the vocal. Import or record the take, then immediately trim silence and obvious breaths so you only keep usable material. Next, set clip gain so peaks sit below 0 dB and add a quick high-pass EQ at about 80 to 120 Hz to remove rumble. Once done, mute other tracks while you focus on the vocal so you can hear edits clearly and make confident first passes. Now you move into detailed editing. Comp the best phrases from different takes, smoothing joints with short crossfades to avoid clicks. Use flex time to nudge timing and apply pitch correction with low strength so the result stays natural. Then shape tone with subtractive EQ, remove boxiness around 200-400 Hz, and add a mild compressor at 2 to 4 to 1 ratio to glue phrases together. Finally, insert a de-esser to tame sibilance, before adding any creative effects. To finish, set up an effects bus for reverb and delay and dial them in so they sit behind the vocal rather than in front. Automate vocal rides to maintain consistent presence through verses and choruses, then add a gentle limiter set to around -0.1 decibels before exporting. Bounce your track and check on phones and monitors to confirm balance. If you hear distortion or clipping at any stage, immediately lower track and input gain. Apply clip gain reduction, and use a limiter to prevent peaks from digital clipping.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.